Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and I am Prabhakar Acharya. Students, now I am going to start explanation of paragraph. In the very first video we have seen introduction and the works done by Adi Shankaracharya. Now we will start from the first story and be ready with your pencil to underline the important word, whether it is Sandhi, Samas, Twant or 11th Mantavya or the meaning that will we first time come to this chapter. So let's start first reading. The Prathama Prasanga means first incident, first story. Sanyasartham Anumati Prapta. Sanyasartham means for renunciation. Anumati means permission. Prapta means obtained. So permission for sannyas obtained. So this is the first story. इसमें दो स्टोरी बताया गया है. एक में ये कैसे शंकराचार्य बनते हैं वो है स्टार्टिंग में, स्पेशली सन्यासी कैसे बनते हैं वो स्टोरी फर्स्ट में, एंड सेकेंड में कि इन्होंने कहा यस्मात् ज्ञानम लभते सह गुरु, तो उसके बारे में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट रीडिंग. भारतस्य दक्षिणदिशि केरलप्रदेशे आल्वानगरस्य समीपं कालडी नाम ग्रामः. सः ग्रामः पूर्णानदीतीरे वर्तते. तत्र जगद्गुरोः शङ्कराचार्यस्य जन्म ख्रीस्ताब्दे 8मे शतके अभवत्. तस्य पिता शिवगुरुः, माता आर्याम्बा चास्ताम्. बाल्ये एव तस्य पिता शिवगुरुः दिवङ्गतः, तस्मात् मातैव पुत्रस्य पालनम् अकरोत्. पञ्चमे वयसि उपनीतः सः पठनार्थं गुरुम् उपागच्छत्. असाधारण वेगेन उपागच्छत्. तत्र वेदांगानि विविधशास्त्राणि च असाधारण वेगेन बालकोऽयम् अधीतवान्. पठनादिकं समाप्य शङ्करः गृहं प्रत्यागतवान्. गृहं प्राप्य मातृसेवाम् आरभत च. माता आर्याम्बा पुत्रस्य विवाहविषये सदैव चिन्तयति स्म, परन्तु मनसा वचसा कर्मणा च विरक्तः शङ्करः सन्यासार्थम् अनुमतिं प्रार्थयत्. शङ्करस्य ऐहिकविषयेषु अरुचिं दृष्ट्वा आर्याम्बा चिन्तामग्ना जाता. So it was the reading. Now be ready to note down sandhis and samas word. See the very first line. Bharatasya dakshin dishi. Bharatasya, that is 68% form of akaran sab, means of India. Dakshina dishi, saptami ekvachan, dishi, dakshina dishi, so in the south direction of India. Kerala Pradeshe, in the state of Kerala. Alva Nagarasya Samipam. Alva Nagarasya, the city name is Alva. So Alva Nagarasya Samipam, near the city Alva, Kaladi Namagrama. There is a village named Kaladi. So there is a village named Kaladi near the city of Alva in the state of Kerala in the south direction of India. Sahgrama, that village, Purna Nadi Tire. So this is Samas was Purna Nam Nadi, then it is Karmadhara Samas. And if we'll say second type, the Purna Nadyaha Tiram, Tasmin Shashti Tatpurush Samas. Pehla Karmadhara Samas hai, दूसरा षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास. On the bank of river Purna. So its meaning will be on the bank of river Purna. Then Vartate. So Sahagrama Purna Nadi Tire Vartate. That village is situated on the bank of river Purna. Tatra, Tatra means there, in that village, in Kaladi village, Jagat Guruho, Jagataha Guruhu, Jagataha Guruhu, Shashti Tatpurush Samas, Jagat Guruho, Jagataha Guruhu, Tasya, so Jagat Guruho, or preceptor of world, Shankaracharyasya of Shankaracharya, Janma, birth, Christabde in AD, Christabde means in AD, Ashtame Shatake Abhavat. Ashtame Shatake means in the 8th century, Shatake Abhavat took place. The birth of the preceptor of the world Adi Shankaracharya took place in 8th century. Tasya Pita, his father, Tasya Pita means his father, Janaka, Shiv Guru. So his father was Shiv Guru. Shiv Guru was his father. Mata and mother was Aryamba. Aryamba उनके माँ का नाम था. Chastam. So here is Sandhi Cha Adhik Astam. So his father was Shiv Guru and mother was Aryamba. Balye eva, right in the childhood only, Tasya Pita, his father Shiv Guru, means his father Shiv Guru, Divangata. Divangata is Divangata Dvitiya Tatpurush Samas, expired or went to heaven. So his father expired in his childhood only. जब वो छोटे बच्चे थे तभी उनके पापा एक्सपायर्ड हो गए. तस्मात में so, that's why Mataiva means Mata Adhikeva. You can see Mata Adhikeva, it is Vriddhi Sandhi. So mother alone, Mataiva means mother alone, Putrasya Palanam, Putrasya means of son, Palanam means reared, brought up, Akarot. So reared him up. So that's why mother alone reared him up. Panchame Vayase, in the age of 5, when he was 5-year-old, Upanitaha means sacred ceremony, sacred thread ceremony, that is, he underwent thread sacrament and went to teacher as resident students. So this is Samas word. Here also, Pathanartham means Pathanaya iti Chaturthi Tatpurush Samas, Pathanartham. And then Gurum Upagachat is Sandhi word, so Gurum Adhik Upagachat. Gurum Adhik Upagachat. You can see here Sandhi, Gurum Adhik Upagachat. So in the age of 5, after thread ceremony, he went to the teacher as a resident student for study purpose. Tatra means there, Veda Vedangani. Ved means Vedas, part of Vedangani means parts of Vedas. Parts of Vedas are Shiksha, Chand, Vyakarna, Nirukta, Jyotish, and Kalpa. These are the 6 auxiliary parts of Vedas. Vividh Shastrani means various sacred books. Vividhani Shastrani, Karmadhara Samas, Vividhani Shastrani. So various sacred books, Cha, and Asadharan Vegena means no sadharana iti asadharana na tatpurush samas, asadharana vega tena karmadhara samas, with extraordinary speed due to sharp grasping talent, this boy speedily mastered Vedas, Vedic auxiliaries and ancillaries. So Adhitavan. Pathanadikam Samapya, after completing education, certification, Samapya is 11th. Pathanadikam Samapya, after completing or finishing his education, Shankara Graham Pratyagatvan. Shankar returned to home. So here is 11th Samapya. Graham Prapya, returning home, after returning home, Prapya, again 11th Matru Sevam means Matuhu Seva, Tam Shashti Tatpurush Samas, Matuhu Seva, Matru Seva means Shashti Tatpurush Samas, Matu Seva, Tam Shashti Tatpurush Samas, Arabhatacha, and started. So after returning home, he started service to mother. Mata Aryamba Putrasya Vivaha Vishya Sadeva Chintayati Sma. Mata Aryamba, mother Aryamba, Putrasya of son, Vivaha Vishya, Vivahasya Vishya, the Shashti Tatpurush Samas, Vivahasya Vishya, about the marriage of her son, about the marriage of son, Sadeva, Sadadik Eva means always, Sadadik Eva always, Chintayati Sma, used to think. Was think over, kept on worrying. Achintayat. If it is asked to drop small, then its a form will be achintayat. अगर small निकालने के लिए बोला तो चिंतयति कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा लंग लकार में और it become achintayat. So Mother Aryamba was keeping or was worried always about the marriage of her son. परंतु बट मनसा वचसा कर्मणा च विरक्तः Viraktam is detached or dispassionate by mind. Manasa means by mind. Tritiya ekvachan. Vachsa with speech, and karmana with action. Shankara, Shankar, sannyasartham for renunciation. Sannyasartham is also samas word. Sannyasai iti means for taking up sannyas, for renunciation. Anumatim prarthayata, requested permission. So, but the Shankar, who was detached, dispassionate with mind, action, and duty, with mind, word, and action, asked permission for renunciation. So, sannyasaya iti chaturthi tatpurusha samas. Shankarasya ऐहिक विषयेषु अरुचिम दृष्ट्वा आर्याम्बा चिंता मग्ना जाता. Shankarasya of Shankar ऐहिक विषयेषु means in worldly affairs. ऐहिकः विषयः तेषु कर्मधारय समास. ऐहिकः विषयः तेषु कर्मधारय समास. For material world or worldly affairs. अरुचिम दृष्ट्वा dislike or apathy. न रुचि ताम नए तत्पुरुष समास. दृष्टवा त्वांतव्य, it is त्वांतव्य. आर्याम्बा, mother आर्याम्बा चिंता मग्ना जाता, was agonized, was anxious. So mother Aryamba was agonized or was agonized, anxious, thinking or seeing the dislike of worldly affair of Shankar. So it was the meaning. Once again I show you Sandhi verse and Visheshan, especially Sandhi Chastam is Sandhi, Mataiva is Sandhi word, Mata Dikeva, Mataiva, yes Sandhi. Then third Sandhi was Balaka Adhikayam, fourth was Sada Adhik Eva, and these are the Sandhis. Nasi Samaswa, Divangataha, Divam Gata, Ditya Tatpura Samas. Then here Vivahasya Vishaye, Shashti Tatpura Samas. Sanyasartham, Sanyasai iti Chatuthi Tatpura Samas. Ahik Vishayeshu, Ahikah Vishaya Teshu Karmadhara Samas. Aruchim, No Ruchi Tam, Nai Tatpura Samas. Chinta Magna means Chintaya Magna. Chintaya Magna Saptami Tatpura Samas. These are Samas word. And 12th or 11th away forms are Samapya, Prapya, and Drishtva. These are 11th and 12th away forms. Now we will see translation together. Now see the translation. Prathamaha prasangaha, that means the first incident. Sanyasartham anumati prapta, permission was obtained for renunciation with sannyas. Then Bharatasya Dakshini Deshi Kerala Pradeshe Alva Nagrasya Samipam Kaladi Nama Grama. So there is a village called Kaladi near the town of Alva in the southern state of Kerala in India. Sa Grama Purna Nadi Tire Vardate. That village is situated on the bank of the Purna river. Tatra Jagat Guroho Shankaracharyasya Janma Christabde Ashtame Sadke Abhavat. Shankaracharya, the spiritual master of the universe, was born there in the 8th century AD. Tasya Pita Shiv Guru Mata Aryamba Chastam. His father was Shiv Guru and his mother was Aryamba. Bali ev Tasya Pita Shiv Guru Divangata. His father Shiv Guru died when he was still a child. Tasmat Mataiva Putrasya Palana Makarut. Therefore, the mother took care of her son. Panchame Vayasi Upanita Sa Pathanartham Gurum Upagachat. At the age of 5, he was initiated and went to his teacher to study. Tatra Veda Vedangani Vivid Shastrani Cha Balkoyam Asadharan Vegena Adhitavan. There the boy studied the Vedas, parts of the Vedas and various scriptures with extraordinary speed. Patanatikam Samapya Shankara Griham Pratyagatvan. After completing his studies, Lord Shiva means Shankar returned home. Graham Prapya Matru Sevam Arabhata. Returning home, he began to serve his mother. Mata Aryamba Putrasya Vivaha Vishye Sadeva Chintayati Sma. Mother Aryamba was always thinking about her son's marriage. परंतु मनसा वचसा कर्मणा च विरक्तः शंकर संन्यासार्थम अनुमतिं प्रार्थयत. But Shankar, detached from his mind, words and actions, asked permission for renunciation. Shankarasya ऐहिक विशेषु अरुचिम दृष्टा आर्याम्बा चिंता मग्ना जाता. Seeing Shankar's disinterest in worldly matters, Aryamba became anxious. Once again, seeing Shankar's disinterest in worldly matters, Aryamba became anxious. So it was translation. तो ये translation था. अभी हम लोग extra questions देखते हैं यहाँ पे. See the पूर्ण वाक्य उत्तरम लिखा था. शंकराचार्य से जन्म कदा अभवत. सो इस आंसर भी शंकराचार्य से जन्म ख्रिस्ताब्दे अष्टमे शतके अभवत. जन्म ख्रिस्ताब्दे अष्टमे शतके अभवत. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. शंकर गृहं प्राप्य किम अकरोत्. सो आंसर इज शंकर गृहं प्राप्य मातृसेवाम आरभत. मातृसेवाम आरभत. द थर्ड वन इज गुरुम उपगम्य शंकर किम अधीतवान. गुरुम उपगम्य शंकर वेदांगानि विविध शास्त्राणि च अधीतवान. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस थर्ड क्वेश्चन. नाउ द फोर्थ नंबर इज किमर्थम आर्याम्बा चिंता मग्ना जाता. तो शंकरस्य ऐहिक विशेषु अरुचिम दृष्ट्वा आर्याम्बा चिंता मग्ना जाता. शंकरस्य ऐहिक विशेषु अरुचिम दृष्ट्वा आर्याम्बा चिंता मग्ना जाता. So this is the answer of last fourth question. Now we'll see the another thing, important word. उचितम कारणम चित्वा वाक्यम पुनर्लिखता. शंकरस्य मातेव पुत्रस्य पालनम अकरोत् यतः शंकराय केवलम माता अरोचत. मीन्स शंकर को सिर्फ माता ही पसंद था. या बाल्ये एव तस्य पिता शिवगुरु दिवंगत. Because his father died when he was child only. So the second answer is correct. Second number, Aryamba Chinta Magna Jata. Aryamba was worried, anxious because Yatah Shankara Ahik Visheshu Aruchim Pradarse. Because Shankar showed disinterest towards worldly affair. Or Shankara Ahik Visheshu Ruchim Pradarse. Because Shankar showed interest towards worldly affairs. So the first one is answer of this. You can see here written. Now we'll see next question. वाक्यम पुनर्लिखित्वा सत्यम असत्यम इति लिखता. So rewriting the sentence, state whether it is correct or incorrect. So शंकराचार्य से जन्म एकोनविंशतितमे शतके अभवत्. एकोनविंशति means in 29th century शतके, in the year. So this is asatyam. And Shankara ativ pragyavan balaka. Shankar was highly intelligent boy. So it is satyam. Now the next, we have seen sandhis till now. Balkoyam balakah adik ayam sadeva sada adik eva grihitam apasyat means grihitam adik apasyat and tatheva tatha adik eva. So these are the sandhis in this very first paragraph. Prashna nirmanam kurta. Mata Aryamba Putrasya Vivaha Vishye Sadeva Chintayati Sma. So the underlined word is Putrasya, Mesya, Shashti Vyakti to Kasya. Complete sentence you have to write. Mata Aryamba Kasya Vivaha Vishye Sadeva Chintayati Sma. Kaladi Grama Purna Nadi Tire Vardate. This is a place. So its answer will be Kutra. Kaladi Grama Kutra Vardate. Then Mata Shankarasya Palanam Akarut. So Mata. So ka, that is prathama ekvachan. So ka putra shankarasya palanam akarut. Ka putrasya putra shankarasya means I just drop this word. जो क्वेश्चन में उतना ही लेंगे हम लोग. पालनम अकरोत् क्वेश्चन मार्क. फोर्थ शंकरः गृहं प्राप्य मातृसेवाम आरभत. So the मातृसेवा is underlined word. So शंकरः गृहं प्राप्य किम आरभत. So these are the questions, sentences given to make questions here. Now the last question. Chronological order, क्रमेण योज्यता. शंकरस्य पठनार्थं गुरुं प्रति गमनं, शिवगुरु दिवंगतः, शंकराचार्यस्य जन्म, मात्रा शंकरस्य पालनं, गोविंद भगवत्पादानां शिष्यत्वं, मात्रे प्रतिश्रुत्य गृहात् निर्गमनं, वैदिक धर्मस्य स्थापनार्थं प्रस्थानं, मातरं संन्यासस्य महत्त्वबोधनं, संन्यासार्थं अनुमति याचना, नक्रेण पादग्रहणं, मात्रा अनुमति प्रदानं, शंकरस्य आक्रोश. आई टेल यू मीनिंग ऑफ एच सेंटेंस. शंकर का पढ़ाई के उद्देश्य से गुरु के पास जाना, फिर शिव गुरु दिवंगत, फादर का मरना शिव गुरु का, शंकराचार्य से जन्म, शंकराचार्य जी का जन्म, मात्रा शंकर से पालनम, मदर रियर द चाइल्ड, मदर ने शंकर का पालन पोषण किया, गोविंद भगवत पादानाम शिष्यत्वम, गोविंद भगवत पाद का शिष्य बनना शंकराचार्य के द्वारा, मात्रे प्रतिश्रुत्य गृहात् निर्गमन, तो माता से प्रॉमिस करने के बाद में घर से निकल जाना, वैदिक धर्म की स्थापना के लिए प्रस्थान करना, माता को संन्यास का महत्व बताना, संन्यासार्थम अनुमति याचना, संन्यास के लिए माँ से परमिशन मांगना, नक्रेण पादग्रहणम, क्रोकोडाइल के द्वारा उनके पैर को जकड़ना, और मात्रा अनुमति प्रदान, माता के द्वारा अनुमति देना, अनुमति प्रदान करना, और शंकर का आक्रोश, शंकर के गुस्सा, चिल्लाना. तो ये क्वेश्चन था. नाउ आंसर्स आर हियर. फर्स्ट विल बी शंकराचार्य से जन्म, सेकंड विल बी शिव गुरु दिवंगत, थर्ड विल बी मात्रा शंकर से पालनम, शंकर से पठनार्थम गुरुं प्रतिगमनम, फोर्थ मात्रम संन्यासस्य महत्वबोधनम, फिफ्थ मात्रे प्रतिश्रुत्य गृहात् निर्गमनम, सिक्स्थ गोविंद भगवत पादानाम शिष्यत्वम, सेवेंथ वैदिक धर्म से स्थापनार्थम प्रस्थानम, दैट इज एथ, नक्रेण पादग्रहणम इज नाइन्थ, शंकर से आक्रोश 10th, संन्यासार्थम अनुमति याचना 11, and matra anumati pradanam is the last sentence 12. So these are the sentences of chronological order. Any 4 sentences can be asked from here. So prepare the questions, understand the chapter, and also prepare your own questions to understand this chapter. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed till now. Share with your friends and keep on practicing this. Thank you. Very soon I am going to upload 3rd video related to this chapter.